Hello everyone. Today's experiment is DIY thermometer. Let us see the material required for this experiment. Dough or clay, water plus food color, sanitizer or isopropyl alcohol, a straw and a bottle. In this experiment, we have used dough, water to which I have added food color. Instead of isopropyl alcohol, I have used lens cleaner which contains 70% of isopropyl alcohol. Measure it in a scoop, pour it in the bottle. In the same scoop, add same amount of water to the lens cleaner. Now our solution is ready. Now take the straw and place it touching the solution level and seal the bottle properly so that the straw cannot move. Yeah, our DIY thermometer is ready. Place it in open sunlight and absorb the solution level inside the straw. Let it be for few hours here. After few hours, check the solution level inside the straw. You can note that it has raised very well. Now bring the bottle inside the room. After 10 minutes, check the solution level inside the straw. You can notice that it has lowered than the previous one. Now let us see the science behind this. Before heating, particles inside the solution are close to each other. So after heating, the particle inside the solution move far from each other, so the solution expands and the level also raised. When we bring the bottle at room temperature, heat again decreases, so the particle again comes close to each other, so the solution contracts and the level also lowers. You can see the solution levels in different stage. In our DIY thermometer, we have used lens cleaner. To measure the body temperature, mercury is used, and in industrial level, alcohol is used.